decide what you want to eat yet? Nothing?
My neck is just killing me.
From what, baby?
I think I slept wrong.
You slept bad, like always? Tripping. Oh, shit! Baby! Baby!
Why is you trying to do? Why would you even try to? What the? What the? What the? V. Bro, that's why I told your ass.
Neck breaking frick on my boyfriend. Babe, come here. I need a massage. Yeah.
Okay. You want your back? Right now? Okay. Ooh. Oh my, what happened?
Why would you do that?
Oh my god, baby, I'm so sorry. I didn't need that to happen, baby. I'm so sorry that happened.
God, you.
Oh my god.
It was just pasta.
Oh, are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my, you're too much.
Oh! What is that? Is she chewing ice? What is in your mouth? What is that noise? How did she do that? Oh! What's in there? What's in there?
Ja, genau, kannst kurz meinen Kopf machen, bitte, weil ich hab hier irgendwie weh. Warte, hier hinten irgendwie. Versuch mal. I'll go this side now. Ew. You got something wrong with your neck. There's something wrong with you. What are you... Hey.
Come here real quick. Can you give me a neck massage? That feels good. What is it more of? Why do you look like that?
Like what? Why are you recording me?
Damn!
Babe, you try to click my neck for me?
No.
I just need you to like push it to the side.
Just keep stretching it. I don't want
Please, babe.
Don't worry, pushing against your neck.
Just gotta
Fucking Frankenstein.
like that.
What? Is this a stupid fucking video?
No.
Where's it hurting?
Here.
You're a fucking asshole. What was that? You're a dick one. You aren't you? What was it?